Hey, uh, it's amazing to be able to record this video because remember a couple of videos ago that I mentioned on how to start your career, or I don't know, your car photography career, hobby, whatever, that you need to show up, you need to go to the dealership, you need to connect with people, you need to attend car meets, cars and coffee, and all that's like car community. You need to be around that, you need to show up, and it starts paying off. Hey, I'm Daniel, and here on my channel I talk everything about mobile photography, mainly using my iPhone, which is the camera I'm recording this video right now. I just probably mess with the zoom, with the focus. And yeah, for the past couple of weeks, I've been around a lot of car events, car meets, going out to dealerships. I have other videos here in this channel that's as well showing how I'm doing in this industry, how I started like connecting to dealerships, messaging people on Instagram, and I don't know, it's happening. It is amazing because I'm gonna show you guys not one, not two, but three straight videos of car photography and POV shots, taking amazing pictures from amazing cars using my iPhone. I don't have a fancy camera, I don't have a fancy lens, I only have my iPhone 16 Pro Max. The first photo shoot, which is this video here, is a collaboration with BMW London. They're like kind enough, Abdullah, the marketing manager. The guy is amazing, super friendly, super eager to help photographers, to help people who like cars. And he hooked me up with two BMW's M series, one M4 CS and one M3 competition. This video today is about the M4 CS in light blue. The car is insane. I saw that in Cars and Coffee at Porsche. I started messaging him. I went to the dealership to connect with him, to get to know him better in person, and start like this idea of collaboration. And he hooked me up with you, BMW. So shout out to BMW London, shout out to Abdullah. Thanks, man. And hopefully it's just the first two. So here is my POV shots of the BMW M4 CS at BMW London. So, hope you guys enjoyed the photos. I try a little bit having like the raw images and that effect where you see the raw and the final edit. It starts to paying off. So again, if you want to do it, just show up, be mindful, be respectful, go to the dealership, ask to talk with like marketing manager, maybe with some of the salesperson, ask to start like shooting inside the showroom, and maybe that will lead to a dedicated photo shoot. You can have a collaboration with them for their social media. Uh, Go to car events, go to car meets, like start to connect with people, following people on Instagram, show your Instagram, and start shooting. Send the pictures to those car owners, and maybe one day you start doing that as a paid gig or freelance or hobby or for a brand, for a dealership, whatever. It's been amazing. And if you are into cars or into photography, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, because I have two more car shoots. The second one is the M3 competition with again with BMW London, and the third one is an Audi S5 with a friend of mine. Okay, see ya.